seeing. This is what I'm seeing. It's not about the economy or anything.
I say we can back on my own sense of
And I'm seeing Ghana beating Mary home and away.
I say Ghana said Omundi Madison.
And I'm telling you, let it be recorded, mark it on the wall, that Ghana, every Ghanaian should prepare. Ghana will qualify to the World Cup. This prophecy will definitely come to pass. Right, David.
Hey, next year, Ghana will qualify to the World Cup. Nothing can stop it. Yes, sir.
Hello, Abusanfo. I hope say rather do munyina mo hoye. Me den chia stronko ebre munyina. Video we Prophet Paul Kusi Appiah. Say do na no mo be hunu. So follow 2024 elections na 2022, 2023, 2024 muno na I think say na GD pa. Nia wa be kan say Blackstars for ebe qualify for 2026 World Cup no. Na say adifo bi so achen kom say Ghana yentimi en qualify. I think so adifo bi is fire oja aka say Ghana yentimi en qualify, but odifo yi say Ghana ye be qualify. Na ye ne Mali no mpo no ye be win home and away. Enti me pese me de bra mo na ye nyina ye chiro to ho na ye mo mpa ye say edi ye nyame nam no so abe kan anase nkoma wade nam no so abe shey betuma be na Blackstars betimi a qualify for 2026 World Cup. Enti no say na the first time I over my channel yi so abomodi na subscribe to my channel yi, like video yi na share ma for so na afa drop a comment so. When me so be enti, I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
See, this is what I'm seeing. It's not about the economy or anything.
I say we can back on my own sense of
And I'm seeing Ghana beating Mary home and away.
I say Ghana said Omundi Madison.
And I'm telling you, let it be recorded, mark it on the wall, that Ghana, every Ghanaian should prepare. Ghana will qualify to the World Cup. This prophecy will definitely come to pass. Right, David. Because as I saw the church dancing, this is what I see.
Okay.
And I saw it clear.
Okay.
That the nation will jubilate.
Okay.
And something is going to happen in the World Cup.
Okay.
Mark it on the wall.
Okay.
That Ghana, any group, whether you are Brazil, whether any group that Ghana will be, it will be very difficult for a nation to score Ghana.
Okay.
Oh, write it down. And the only local player, I'm telling you, let what the managers and those who are managing a certain boy called into Menu and stay in Ghana for another year. He will be the only local player who will go to the World Cup. So, all my members here should start renewing their passports.
Okay.
Because I'm seeing a drum. A lot of people rushing to go to Canada and America through the World Cup. Write it. Now I'm not going to mix any prophecy again.
Okay.
I'm telling you the right thing.
Okay.
Any prophecy that I will make from now onwards,
Okay.
I'm going to claim my image.
Okay.
Right? I'm telling you, Ghana is going to qualify to the World Cup. Write it down. Ghana will qualify to the World Cup. Mark my words. Mark it on the wall.
Mark it on the wall.
And God has a covenant with the DFA president.
Okay.
And God has a covenant with the new sports minister.
Okay.
And he is going to be one of the best sports ministers in the country. Ghana will qualify.
So,
Everybody have a swag. Everybody man needs to go. Are you with me? Everybody man kugu. Everybody man kugu. Hey, next year, Ghana will qualify to the World Cup. Nothing can stop it. Yes, sir. I said it 2022 that a certain African team will be in the semi-finals, and it happened. Right now, Ghana will go to the World Cup without party, and the senior players, but it will be the most successful World Cup ever the country has won, apart from 2010. It is written in the wall. Everybody team that we ever come Mexico, make sure get where you are saying America. Jesus. Ghana, let's not America. Upon Ghana, you don't go to your dear battle. It is finished.
2025. Ghana for some more Red Cup.
And yes, I'm going for
Blackstars.
Welcome, Blackstars.
Said you two warm Africa Cup and said about two World Cup on him.
African Cup. Same thing.
Me ponko fitana metna no so ni bi
saw a white horse.
Na me say ponko na wo.
I saw that the horse had given that.
Enkofo bi ba ponko no.
Some people were coming close to the horse.
Ponko de na kick enkofo no.
He kicked the people off.
No muni na tete kohwe obochi.
All of them fell off.
Na me hu ye.
I looked and I saw.
A team of friend Blackstars.
It was a team called
Na
Blackstars.
obo ben ponko na ponko de na po wo ma kiki. He said General say ya na be ya wo mo.
This is what is going to happen.
Our World Cup. Now, a better bufu class in Africa Cup
terrible,
and people will start insulting them. That's what be any Blackstars.
No hope.
World Cup, we say that money. We did the prophets, they didn't recall.